Hello everybody, welcome to the Appliance Factory YouTube page. My name is Max. Today we're going to be talking about the correct way to load up a washer. A common misconception is that you can lay appliances down in the back of your car, something like that. It should be fine. It's actually better to stand up washers because the way that these are set up, the drum has movement. It's because it's sitting on springs, and those springs, if they're tensioned, are going to snap and break, especially going over bumps and things like that. So what you want to do with washers is put it upright in the back of a truck or something like that. U-Haul, put a strap over it and a strap around it to make sure that it's not moving too much. If you do absolutely have to lay it down, you just have to know that there may be damages or anything like that. This was Max with Appliance Factory. Please give us a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.